Do you see? Do you see what's happening when I don't play Dodge Daddy? It goes up. I will never play Dodge Daddy ever again. Maybe when we are at 1 million or something like that, you know, just to push it a little bit back, you know, so, you know, the rest of you can buy in, and then, you know, I'm gonna stop playing at the end. Sell in 2 hours. Good evening, guys, good evening. How you guys doing? Beauty, Salam, Sheen, Sasha. I love this evening live stream. Yeah, they're fine, they're fine, they're fine. How do you like the triangle, guys? 53, 42, 107. Yeah, man, this 107 is a little bit high. I do hope you're correct on that one though. How's everybody doing? Right? Welcome to the live stream. What's up? What's up? What's up? Play Dodge Daddy to short this resistance. I'm very tempted to short it. I'm very tempted to short it, you know. Hi Joe, how you doing? Marcus, what's up? This is just what I need. Been a tough day. It's gonna be fine, man. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna... Assorted. What did I post, man? What did I post? How is it? Get to YouTube and you see my, you know, stuff, you know, with the channel. But when I go here and I post it, yeah, it doesn't matter. The thumbnail is wrong. I think the thumbnail is wrong. Maybe we can do it another way. Let's go this over here. I'm just doing stuff, guys. I'm gonna be right back. You know, I'm just doing stuff. Let's try it like this over here. You know, this is the last try I'm gonna do. Let's try. Let's see, you know, how far we get with this. Whatever, doesn't matter. Pin message. Yeah, not fine. Nice. There we go. CK, welcome, bro. CK, cool. CK, what's up with the tweet, man? What's up with the tweet? Why are you going away, man? Why are you going away? Everybody wants to know. You know, and you know, you got us worried a little bit. You know, don't post that kind of stuff. It's not, you know, end of the world, World War III happening and stuff like that. Like, yo, what's up? What's up? Huh? Dead jokes all around from CK. Yeah, we are a little bit like going. You know, people are theory crafting about, you know, the tweet. So, you know, to stop the theory crafting, you gotta let us in on the secret, man. What's up? What's happening? Why aren't alts moving? I'm so tired of our alts, our coins dropping far when BTC dumps, but when it pumps, alts do nothing. Because this is Bitcoin season right now. Nothing, bro. It was a day off. Okay, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. 77 votes, 64 people believe, but 34 are a little bit bearish. Yeah, we're gonna see how that ends off. That's good, man. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. How do you like the triangle, by the way? See, I joined live stream needed. How do you like the triangle? I like the triangle. I like the triangle. I think triangle is nice. I mean, maybe there is a better way to draw the triangle, give or take. It could be nicer. Like, doesn't matter where you put this one. Up here, you know, it's looking like getting broken, but down here it's not. And if you look at it on the weekly time frame, we still gotta, you know, we still gonna right now testing the resistance. It's a big resistance, you know, we gotta testing. We also got this here at 51.7. Wow, it's up at there. Wow, it's going up there, it's going up there, it's going up there. This on the week, let's see the daily. It wants to go, guys, it wants to go on the dollar, on the dollar. Look at it, on the dollar, on the dollar. 51.768 on the dollar. When will VeChain finally pump up force? Who cares about VeChain, man? We are watching Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 5%, man. That's all that matters. My target is 55k, 55k for this pump. For this pump, 55k, man. That's up here. You know what's gonna happen if you go to 55k? Coinskit. You know what's gonna happen? We're going to the moon. We're literally going to the moon. If we get into 55k and close 55k up here, if we close 55k, like we are going to the moon. You know, Lambos for everybody. You can pick the color today if you go to the 55k. Yes, impulsive. We're gonna see. You know, there are definitely coins that have some nice technicals and stuff like that right now. Shiba 32% today again. Like, this is crazy. You know, Shiba is pumping like crazy. I don't know why, but you know, this is insane. I thought, you know, yesterday might have been, you know, a good day, but you know, today also went like 47% up. Ah, man. The moves that are happening today, man, it's crazy, it's crazy. Let's go a little bit back here, 51.755. No, this chart up here. This on KuCoin doesn't matter, but you know, it's on the dollar, it's on the dollar. The resistance is hitting on the dollar, so I'm gonna see if we can actually. I'm gonna zoom in on the 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 5 minute chart maybe. 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart. Let's see 1 minute chart. You know, if the 1 minute chart wants to break it. Can the 1 minute chart break this, guys? Can the 1 minute chart break this? If dump moon happening, how low can we go? Well, this was the plan, guys. This was the plan all along. I don't know if you remember the streams from before. When we were down here, what have we been talking about? We've been talking about the 6th of October, right? We've been talking about the best case scenario because the moons. This is the full moon, this is the new moon, so new moon pushed down, full moon's held us up, but we are down here, we are saying the best case scenario is if we just pump really hard up until the next new moon, then get some kind of small pullback, not all the way down, but small pullback, and then next full moon, we pump, you know? So this is what, you know, this was the plan all along, this is where we are actually going to, this is what we are looking for, and now we got it, So it's looking nice, it's looking good, it's looking nice, it's looking, you know, feeling good. Let's see here. Seconds, I like this one up here. Maybe we should just put this like this up here. Yeah, that's nice. TLI is also George as well as all of us. Coinskis is George as well. We all George. Hello everybody, I'm George, you George, we all George. George is George, but you know, we can also be George. Respect to the George, you know. Just as we predicted. Yeah, not what, you know, it wasn't that, you know, we didn't predict this, but we said like the best case scenario when it comes to the moons, if we just pump like crazy up here, as much as we can, if we just pump, and then when the new moon hits, you know, then, you know, hopefully it will do something like this, you know, it won't actually, you know, pump us to the upside right away, but you know, we are hoping it's gonna, you know, just like stop it a little bit, you know, until the next full moon, and then bounces towards the upside. By the way, if you are not a believer in the moons by now, I cannot help you, man. I'm eyeballing a huge run on the B Pro, all not financial device. I don't know what B Pro is, man. When to sell? What will be top this cycle? Cardano pool staker operator from Masters Rock. Not sure what you said there. Where's the pump button? Yeah, where's the pump button? I got a stop button. This is just little. There we go. Right now there is 59 greed and feariness. Let me update this right now. You can see up here, fear and greed index. Let me just put it up here so nicely. Okay, so fear and greed index right now 59. 59. I don't know if you like that or not, but it's 59. So that's that. Greed. Maybe tomorrow it's gonna be even more. Tomorrow it's gonna be even more, you know, and you know, big, you know, when the greed is up here and the full moon, sorry, new moon pops up, you know, kind of tells you like, hey man, chill. When will the moon pop on the chart? I don't know, tomorrow sometimes. When exactly, you know, it's a little bit hard to say. Koinski crew in the house. Look at that Koinski crew coming in the house, man. Yo. I'll show you where the top is, no drama. Big up Leicester City. So 55k, then dump mood tonight. I don't know if it's gonna be 55k now, you know. Koinski thinks 55k. I don't think 5k. I like the, you know, resistance line. So we're gonna see if the resistance line is gonna be it. There is also a very important resistance line up here. In my case, there's a double top or something like that. Maybe we're gonna break, maybe not. But you know, for today, I don't think you know we are gonna go higher than this. We might go higher than this. Let me see the moving average on 4 hourly. Let's see 1 hourly. 1 minute. Let me see the volume on this up here. Let me see the volume up here. The volume is actually been, you know, following the price. It's following the price. Just going kind of sideways, a little bit down. Nah, I don't see. Maybe like daily volume is following the price, man. Daily volume is following the price. So it is nice. It is nice. What happens when moon eclipse? Actually nothing, you know, but this time moon eclipse is falling on the new moon, the micro moon, so you know it's gonna be big times. He likes horoscopes around here. We don't like it, we love it, man. We love it. We love horoscopes. Privitsuka, we will dump. Beauty knows what's up. I don't know. Yes, today on the stream we said we might go a little bit down here. Where were we? But we didn't do that. Where were we yesterday? We were up here. Today on the stream, on the Bitcoin Daily, we were exactly up here. And I said, was it here? Yeah, it was up here. And I said we might dump. I didn't say we might dump. I said we might pull back to the moving averages. And we kind of did pull back to the moving average, but we kind of went sideways, you know. Pullback came, you know, at 7 o'clock down here on my time, 7 o'clock to 20, you know. But I was thinking, you know, the pullback might come like more like something like up here. But it was looking bullish. You know. There was no problem with Bitcoin. I didn't see any problems, so it did what it, you know, should supposed to do. But right now it comes, you know, important time where we're gonna, you know, jump above this and continue higher. Altcoins are in limbo, like nothing happens. Guys, let's talk about altcoins because I don't want to hear altcoin talk after I explain you this. Okay, so what I'm gonna explain you right now is why altcoins. There is altcoin season and there is Bitcoin season. Okay, guys, there are two seasons. There is altcoin season and Bitcoin season. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart up here. Very nice chart. Let's just remove everything. So what I'm gonna show you up here is I'm gonna show you Bitcoin dominance. Oh, it's BTC, but the oh, there we go, new price scale, and let's add this to, yeah, we figured this out last time, logarithmic. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you right now is there is altcoin season and there is altcoin season and there is Bitcoin season, and right now it's Bitcoin season. So here we're gonna see, this is the chart of dominance. You can see when Bitcoin was going up all the way up to this point up here. So when Bitcoin goes up and the dominance goes up, that means it's Bitcoin season. So right now Bitcoin is going up and the dominance is going up. That means Bitcoin season. Okay, Bitcoin season, that means if Bitcoin is outperforming altcoins. So when Bitcoin's price is rising and the dominance is rising as well, that means Bitcoin season. So you can see here, you know, exactly at this top up here, when the Bitcoin dominance was crashing towards downside, while Bitcoin was actually going towards upside, you can see Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin dominance goes down. When this happened, that's alt season. So ever since this point up here, all this entire this part up here, that's alt season, meaning alts are winning, right? So what happens up here on this pump up here? I'm gonna show you another pump up here. Same thing goes up here. Bitcoin is going up here, although it's going down here, but over here, you know, starts going up, and you know, the dominance is going up as well, all the way onto the top, right? If the dominance going up, Bitcoin going up means Bitcoin season. Exactly what's happening right now. Bitcoin going up, dominance going up, Bitcoin season. But as soon as Bitcoin reaches some kind of limbo up here, some kind of top, it gets this first pullback as well here, the first big pullback. As soon as it gets this first pullback, money flows out of Bitcoin into altcoins, and this happens. See here, it goes crashes towards downside, the dominance crashes towards downside, while Bitcoin still rallies to upside. So this was the secondary alt season, and this was the secondary alt season. So right now we are in the first phase of this move. This is the first phase where Bitcoin goes up and dominance goes up until some kind of correction. And once that correction done, you will see the dominance is gonna die while Bitcoin continues going up. And once that happens, once you see Bitcoin going towards the upside and dominance going towards the downside, that's alt season. That's when your coins are gonna give you lamb. But that's what we are waiting for. But right now we are not quite there yet. We are not quite there yet. You know, right now it is Bitcoin season until Bitcoin shows strength. And once, you know, it's shown strength, you know, we're gonna pump. We're gonna pump. No problems, guys. BTCD chart, yeah. So I hope everybody got, you know, everybody understands why we are not in some kind of altcoin season right now. The altcoin season will come, but Bitcoin has to, you know, pump first. Bitcoin has to pump first. But once Bitcoin is done pumping, you know, money will flow away from Bitcoin into altcoins, and that's when, you know, the big money will. That's when your alts will actually explode like crazy. It's an old saying. Buy Bitcoin. It's an old saying. Yo, morning, Vicky. How you doing, man? So let's stop this. Ada is stuck. No, Ada is not stuck. Ada is, well, actually, is stuck. I drew this very nice triangle. You know, you can mess with the triangle and figure out what's the best way the triangle is. But you can see, you know, Ada is coming inside this, you know, triangle. Ada will do something soon, but you know, whether that's gonna be today, soon, like, it doesn't have a lot more room to go. Depends on this bottom line. Depends on this bottom line. If I drew the line differently, you know, if it should be something like this, you know, it has a little bit more room to go. But I think this is the correct triangle up here. If you look at a 4 hourly, it does look legit. It does look legit. You know, because if you move it up here, it's like. I mean, you could draw it something like this. You could draw something like this as well. Very nice touches on the line. Maybe even better touches than previously, but you know. Guy takes what guy gets, you know. Guy takes what guy gets. So it is nice line, you know. So doesn't matter. You know, soon something is gonna happen. Soon something is gonna happen up here, and we'll see. You know, once starts breaking this level of trend line up here, you know, big stuff is gonna happen up here. Big stuff is gonna happen. Up. You see? Do you believe? 63% believe. Believers in the room right now. Pretty well, man. Got liquidated some, didn't took profit, too greedy. Great, will love your updates. Thanks, man. Appreciate everybody for being here. So Bitcoin is still 4.33, having small pullback on the resistance. Let's see down here. Yeah, pullback below the line. Right now, maybe we are hitting some kind of top right now. I mean, 5% is already you know, a lot for Bitcoin on a daily time frame, but you can see here we pulled a little bit back below the line. Let's see the 1 minute chart. Yeah, pull back, 5 minute chart. Yeah, we'll see whether this is this looks like some kind of top on a small time frame. It kind of went parabolic up here. Don't you guys think? It's kind of like, so it's either gonna, you know, move back to some kind of moving averages. Where are the moving averages? Let's go back up here, move back some kind of moving averages, but you know, this resistance up here is gonna be a little bit tough to break, I think. Let's see how let's see some indicators up here. You know, we are above the 10 moving average on the weekly time frame, so that's fine. You know, bullish cross up here, that's fine. You know, CTK 60 level on weeklies, that's fine. So everything looks fine. If we, guys, I'm gonna say it right now, if we on the weekly time break this level up here, if you on the weekly time cross up above this level up here, and we don't, and we still have, and we don't have any divergence up here. If there is no divergence once we cross up here, and we cross up here, like, it's gonna be really hard not to talk about 100,000, 200,000 and stuff like that, man. It's gonna be really hard. 5x BTC short. I don't know, man, I don't know, but you know, right now sitting at some important resistance up here, very important resistance, so already pumped like 4 or 5% for the day. So you know, now it's time to short it, not time to long. You know, we always say it, once we get to important levels, people get too excited. You know, once people are too excited, you know, I want to play dodge there, you know, time to be on the safe side. Right now sitting on the resistance, do not long right now, you know, long is down here, long is was, you know, you should have been done during the day down here, right? Where is it for 1 hourly chart? You know, long should have been done down here, right? You know, if you're gonna long at least something, right? Long something. But right now, even on the 1 hourly, you're extending away from the moving averages. So longing right now, just below the resistance, you know, it might work out, but you know, you are taking a big risk. So the risk is a lot higher, you know, longing right below below the resistance. So don't long. I won't long below the resistance. What you do, you know, you do, but I won't never long right below the resistance. So you know, also the new moon is kicking in tomorrow. So right now sitting at resistance, we did what we are supposed to do, pump as high as we can. And now I'm, you know, we are looking to actually figure out whether this is gonna happen or not. What we can do, we can check out because these moving averages are way below us. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna check out overextensions, guys. We're gonna check out overextensions down here. Let's clean up everything, and we're gonna see here that we are getting overextended right now, but not. It's not violently overextended. Like this can pump more. This can pump definitely more, but it is some kind of extension. Let's see the 20 moving average how is this working out. Now 20 moving average is actually looks you know, it has more room to, you know, pump. It has more room to pump, definitely. We are just getting into the, you know, pumpage area right now. But I won't call this over extend. I won't. It looks good. It looks good. You know, breaking this up here to, you know, looks good right now. Breaking all of this up on the upside up here looks very nice. Like it is really hard to argue that the Bitcoin is not bullish right now. It is really hard to argue that the Bitcoin is not bullish right now. Let's just go a little bit back up here. So I don't know, guys. I think it's bullish. I don't know if you're gonna break today. I don't know if it's gonna be nice if you break this today, this resistance today. But whether we're gonna do that or not, it's kind of hard to say. Tila, we are in the golden pocket. The most important day one. You don't seem to like Fibo. Yeah, I don't like Fibo. So you know, golden pocket and stuff like that. I really don't care about those things. But you know, if somebody can tell me where the golden pocket is, you know, I will check it out. And from you know, where is the top and bottom? Where is the top and bottom for the golden pocket? So I got my fibs, man. Where are my fibs, man? Here's my fibs. So I'm willing to learn, man. Probably not this one. What kind of golden pocket are you looking at, guys? Somewhere like this, like 0.7 or something like that. Okay, since nobody's saying anything, fib golden pocket. Oh, it's just short. So between 65 and 61.8. So between this one and 65. So we gotta, you know, we gotta do. Where is it? 60. Yeah, we can just add one more here. Doesn't matter. 0.65. Okay, blue. It's fine. So this is the golden pocket. Yeah, actually we, you know, exited the golden pocket. Golden ratio. 61 and 65. Yeah, sometimes you're a trend-based fib. No, you know, don't you watch CK? No, I don't watch CK, man. I do watch CK, but you know, he posts like 5 videos a day. You know, 5 videos a day. So you know, I watch it from time to time. I do watch from time to time, but not that much. Yeah, our fib settler, man. Yeah, fibs levels on log scale. Log scale is on. Make sure fibs are set. 05061 is the golden pop. No, it's not 05, 061 and 065. So this is the golden pocket up here. But is this what you guys are looking for? Like you know, extension on the other side? Is this the gold? But this golden pocket is right up here. You know, this is the golden. You know, up here it's not the golden pocket. Down here is the golden pocket. Or where do you start? Log scale off. No, log scale on all the time. You know, and it really doesn't matter because we are zoomed in, so you know you don't get that much. Why should I turn off log scale if I'm using Fibonacci logs? I agree, pocket is 0.61. Seeker does it wrong. 0.6 and 0.7 is the golden pocket. Okay, you guys have to agree with the. You know, if I turn off log scale, then let's just remove lines. Let's remove it. Too many lines up here. If I turn off the log scale, right? If I turn off the log scale, then you get the pocket, right? But with the log scale on, then there is no pocket. So should we use log scale or no log scale? So start from down to high dot. What you mean start from down to high? Then you get a pullback. We are not interested in pullback. We're interested in, you know, retracement. When you know, when you go down, you're interested in the retracement, and this is a retracement. So you know, from the high to the low, down here, you know, wherever you know, pull it. But this is on log scale now. If you don't have log scale, then you have this pocket down up here, you know, whatever, right? CK does it right. How is CK doing it? Turn log scale on and the fib solve. Log scale on. Well, it's a, you know, both has to be fib or both has to be regular. You cannot have one logarithmic and one regular. Like, it doesn't make sense. Then use fib extension. No fib retracement, fib extensions. There is no such thing as fib extensions. Fib, you know, there is only fibs, you know, and then how you pull it, you get the extensions or not. But the numbers are the same from the extensions or not, right? So if you want extensions, right, you do something like this up here. And then you look at extensions to the upside, extensions, right? And this is the pullback up here from 0 to pullback. Jimmy P is the only guy saying turn it off. I wouldn't turn it off. Log or no log chart is the same when log is off on the fibs. Yes, there, look at TV trading view options. This is the pump, guys. Crypto phase isn't live. I don't know how crypto phase is affecting the markets, but yeah, I really don't know. You know what, guys? We can do the, you know, we can go to YouTube, Coins Kid. 10 hours ago, the ultimate Bitcoin signal. Oh.
To Bitcoin once again, thank you for support. Big up the Coins Kid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you.
Okay. Let's see. Where are your Fibonacci, man? Where is your Fibonacci? I want to see your Fibonacci. That's not the kind of Fibonacci we want. No. No, close, but no. Oh, this is. Oh, he's using the moons. The moons. Yeah, you gotta use the moons, man. You gotta use the moons. Come on, where is the Fibonacci? There is Fibonacci. There is Fibonacci. We're getting close, but the golden pocket, you know, this is golden, this 160. How is he using the Fibonacci? Too many lines on his screen, man. Look at this, man. I cannot read the charts. I'm sorry, Coins Kid, but I cannot read your charts. So 0 line all the way down here. 1 line up here. So this move, extensions to the upside. So he's measuring this move towards the upside, right? 160, 1414. It is getting hit right up there, but 1618. So 55. That's why he's saying 55 extensions Fibonacci extensions 55 all the way up here, right? That's why he's saying 55, because 1618 is at 55, so 55. But right now we are at this 50. This is not 53, 51.7. We are down here. We are down here right now. So you gotta room to go. You got a room to go. You know, you're close, but you know, Fibonacci's. But I don't do Fibonacci's. Health, yeah, I'm up late tonight. Nice. Not really in the video. He just talks about weekly 2055. Okay. The cans are way more exposed than no log. Yeah, I don't know, but the way I see it, if you use you know, fib levels based on log scale, then you have to if you use log scale, you should always use log scale, and that means that right now we are above the let's move to up here. It really doesn't matter. We are above the golden pocket, guys. We are above the golden pocket. We are above the golden. Let's go a little bit back here in time. Reason we don't use Fibonacci is because when you don't use Fibonacci, you can get something like this, guys. You can get something like this. You can get hits on the dollar, okay? I wonder how this dump moon will affect the price. What do you think? I don't think it will affect it that greatly. If you are bullish, it's just gonna continue going up. It should be good news because BTC performs well when it breaks the golden pocket. Well, technically, the way I see it right now, it is broken the golden pocket to the upside, so I like that. But you know, right now we're hitting a resistance, and that's the big thing right now. We are hitting the resistance. See, up here resistance. It's a big resistance right now. So you know, if you break this, this gonna be can be super bullish. If you can break that, but it's a big triangle. It's a big triangle, and we had a lot of hits down here. Right now, a lot of hits up here. I don't know if we have to go one more time down here again. That's gonna also be some kind of 33k. 33k, and then bounce again outside, and then break the outside. That's gonna be March or April. But this dump might also correspond very well with 20 November to 20 December, here 4th of December, right up here. If you dump down here, we just might hit the bottom on the special event that we looked at. Where is the special event? Over here, right? This is the special event. These three are the this is the date. So if you right now start going down here, we might just hit this special event on the downside and then bounce towards the upside, and then somewhere around June hit some kind of top up here around June at the next big event, right? So some kind of bottom and then bam to the moon, or we can just climb up here and end up to the top as well up here. Don't have that much time though, don't have that much, so we gotta climb very fast. We gotta climb very fast from over here. And if you look at a climb up here, it's gonna be something like this, so it's not gonna be more than 100 if you just start climbing here. I mean, it can be. It depends on how This is fast climb, but this last climb should be faster, so it can go quite high. I don't know. It can go to 200k. We are doing scientific research, guys. We are moving the mouse and seeing how this can look like. This is scientific research. I don't think that's how it works, but whatever. If there is a recession in the States, will the USDC lose the value? Well, they are correlated with dollar, so if dollar goes up, they go up, or stay same. Can you please take a look at BTT for me? I already knew the charts. Not much happening with BTT, man. I'm in a big inverse head and shoulders on the weekly chart. Inverse head and shoulders. Big inverse head and shoulders. I don't see inverse. I don't see inverse head and shoulders. It would have to be super parabolic. Yeah, it would have to be super parabolic. But it can happen. I never underestimate Bitcoin, man. Never underestimate Bitcoin. There is another option on the chart. I forgot to tell you guys. There is another option. You can see how I drew this. You see how I drew this this trend line, not the bottom one, but this trend line. You see how there is another option to draw this trend line because of this is engulfing candle. So using this bottom down here. So let's do that. And if you do that, we are actually already super bullish, guys. We are already super bullish. Doesn't matter which one you use, you know, we already broke it. We are already bullish, guys. Because this is what's called I don't know, bearish engulfing candle, and when these things happen, you can just see it as some kind of weekend. You just draw the lines right through those. So to me, this looks already very bullish, guys. I mean, there are two ways. This is the safe way to draw it, right? This is the safe way to draw it. You also got this resistance on the upside, but you can draw it. Technically speaking, you can draw it like this as well. And if you draw it like this as well, you can see here. It depends where you put this up here, up down. Maybe it should be up here. When I look at it, maybe it should up here. We are technically already bullish, guys. Technically bullish. And as soon as we start breaking this level up here, that's gonna be it. I think that's gonna be it. And then we're gonna play the Dodge Daddy song, and of course, you know what happens after that. We're never out of the never-ending woods yet. We never-ending woods. Yeah, the never-ending woods. You know, there is always something else that has to happen. You know, something else. And by the time you are 100% sure that you are out of the woods, you are technically back in the woods. If US government defaults on their debts, it's gonna be a bloodbath. Well, if this continues going towards the upside until the 4th of December, if this and I've heard they extended the debt ceiling until December, so we can pump really nice until December, and then they default, then economy goes to shitters, and then we can have our bear market, right? That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. Tila, don't have a look to where the cat is. Chart looking good. Don't look to where the cat is. Chart looking good. I don't get that saying. Don't look where the cat is. October 20, 2021. It's October 20. That's the date for the government to make a move on debt ceiling. October. I thought it was in December. By the way, BitBoy. Oh, that Head and Shoulders. Center plan. Okay, so inverted Head and Shoulders. I mean, it's yeah, sure. It is plausible. It is plausible. This being some kind of big weird head. I don't like this. I gotta tell you, man. This move up here, I kind of like it, but it is, it is. Somehow nice. Somehow it is nice. Let's see the moving averages. How it is playing on the moving averages. And then up there, it is Head and Shoulders. It does look like Head and Shoulders. So where it's bottom and stuff like that. Let's move it. It should not go all the way up, like 80k up here. That's the target. So if this if this Head and Shoulders, inverse Head and Shoulders plays out, you can just do it like this. If the Head and Shoulders plays out, the target is only 80k. I know it looks bigger, but the target is only 80k. Crab pattern, long accumulation zone. Yeah, I spoke about this Head and Shoulders a while ago. Yeah, I mean it can happen. Like, I'm not saying it's not gonna, because once you break this resistance up here, I mean that's why we're saying this resistance up here is really important. Once you break that resistance, you are breaking the trend. So some kind of invert Head and Shoulders might be the case. But we already know that once you break up here, we are aiming for higher than 80k, guys. We are aiming high for. But if this only goes to like 80k and stops up here, just remember, this part over here was supposed to go to 200k, and it stopped at 60k, and right now people are saying, you know, 150k, 200k, but be prepared that it might stop at 80k and then, you know, go down again. You know, just be prepared. You know, I'm not saying we're not gonna go to these numbers, but be prepared, you know, to stop up here as well. You know, because last time, you know, people are talking about 300,000 and we stopped at 60. You know, so WTF, you know, WTF. Every alt in a cup and handle, lol. Yeah, there is a lot of good. There is a lot of good patterns right now. Better late than never. Hi fam. Yeah. By the way, guys, I can show you up here. First of all, you know, triangle on Cardano. You know, it looks like it's gonna break out. Let's see 1 inch. 1 inch has this very nice line. I don't know if it's a triangle up here or whatever is happening up here, something like this. Yeah, it might be some trend line up here going on. You can see here trend line. So, you know, once it starts breaking the trend line, you know, it might be start looking good. Not this one. Maybe this one. No, this one. You can see it's very close. So everything is very close to breaking towards the upside up here. BNB is also, for example, in this very gigantic you know, triangle, and it's not just the case with this isn't just the case with BNB or Cardano or some other coins. I think also the cake is as well here. The cake is as well. A lot of these coins have right now these gigantic you know, gigantic triangles, and you can see here, you know, if you start breaking out of that, the target should be around 1000, something like that, for BNB and stuff like that. But everything looks like it's on the verge of, especially right now, this BNB, because it was, you know, I love these moves, man. This on the daily. You see here, it goes down there, gets crushed by the moving averages, and then support holds, and then jumps above the support. And right now we are waiting actually takes support. So if you are looking for the altcoins to tell us, you know, this is gonna go up, guys, get ready, because this might be it, you know. I'm so tempted to play Dodge Daddy, you don't know. Tila is streaming too, I'm watching Tino now. Tila is streaming too, I'm watching. Who's Tino? Who's Tino? Who's Tino? So I don't think the moon phase will pull it down tonight. Now, during the bull big moves, I think it can pull us down, but I don't think it's gonna be that big pull. It can pull us down because we are hitting the resistance up here, guys. We are hitting some kind of resistance, you know. Everybody's seeing this resistance. There is also a horizontal resistance up here. Where is the chart up here? Not this one, down here. Yeah, this is some kind of inverse head short, but let's draw it again up here. There is there, and then you got this you know, this trend line, and you can see on the daily right now that right now we are getting into resistance, and we are not moving. You can see here we stopped totally, definitely right below the resistance right now. So, you know, I don't know if we have enough power to push this through. Also, you know, new moon is coming on the 6th, so it can actually, you know, dump us towards the downside. That's that. But right now hitting resistance after big impulsive move towards the upside. That said, I think, you know, we might take a breather here a little while with the new moon. You know, I don't know how far long, and then we break. But once we break, you just saw, man, like, yeah, these are just some of the coins. These are just some coins, but a lot of these coins got these big, huge, not Cardano, huge, you know, triangles going on over here. And once these triangles start breaking out, that's gonna be a big thing. That's gonna be a big thing. Let's go, for example, look at ADA up here. You remember ADA down here, for example, right? Once it started, you know, breaking up here, you know, it started to move. This was it, guys. This way, once you break these big triangles, that's it, guys. That's it. You start going up, right? Cardano had this big triangle up here. There will be some kind of resistance for Cardano up here. So maybe something like 7 or something like that. There will be a big resistance up there, because of course, you know, you see this, you know, you see this resistance of 7 or something like that. That said, these things, once they break out, you know, they have, you know, probability to, you know, do damage. So once these things break to the upside or downside, they have a, you know, probability to do damage. So if you break to the upside, you know, this is gonna go up. So I'm getting super bullish, guys. I'm getting super bullish. What is new moon slows down BTC down so the alts can rip? Yeah, maybe that's the case. Maybe we like the new moon. Have you seen Luna? Yeah, I've seen Luna, man. Luna is good. Luna does fine. I don't know how he's doing today, but you know, we've been talking about Luna lately. Where is Luna? Where's my Luna? La Luna de la Noche. Crypto Fanbot, 10 bucks. Hope you're feeling better, but thanks, man. I appreciate money. I appreciate money. People get so, you know, generous mood once we are bullish, man. I love being bullish. I'm gonna start making videos, man. Right after this video, I'm gonna make like 5 new videos and post them on YouTube, man. That's how bullish I am. That's how bullish I am. I don't know where my Luna is, man. There is Luna. Right now, minus 3.10%, but Luna looks nice, man. Luna broke up the trend up here, some kind of trend. It was it's having a pullback right now. You can see here. You know, there was some kind of trend, and this is a pullback on the trend right now, waiting for these averages right now, and it just might continue ripping towards the upside as well. Please do. Yeah. So you know, it does look bullish. I am getting really excited about everything, you know, and when I get excited, you know, usually stuff dumps. So that's that. Check Dogecoin, bro. Will it go bullish? Dogecoin is also looking good, I think, soon. I think everything will rip soon, guys. I think everything will rip soon. I think everything will, you know, go soon. You see this trend up here, this line. It has to cross the line, but once it crosses the line, that's when it's only gonna happen. Look, you know what happened with Shiba, guys. You know what happened with Shiba. We've been watching Shiba for a long time, and we had down here some kind of support levels and stuff like that, right? And this was the important resistance to break. And tried to break here. When it broke here, I thought it's gonna go, but you know, NAP just went right back down. But over here, once it broke, now like bam, totally up. So these big trends are getting broken right now. When these big trends get broken, you get this. So definitely, guy, alt season can be in the play. Don't play Doge Daddy, please. I'm getting tempted, man. It is very bullish. Unfortunately, it is very bullish, and I'm getting tempted to play Doge Daddy. So let's see how this actually plays out. But when these big trends gets broken, guys, when these big trends gets broken, you get big moves. You get big moves. That's what you have to understand. You know, this is a, you know, short trend. This is a very you know, vertical trend, and when that's, you know, got broken, it started going sideways. But when this second trend up here got broken, you can see the trend up here. When this trend got broken, look at the volatility towards the upside, man. So the big, and this was a big trend as well. So when trends gets broken, you get volatility. Big trends up here got broken, you got volatility the other direction, right? So big trend, if it gets broken, you're gonna get big volatility. Not only, you know, but I'm always saying, you know, Bitcoin is not where the Lambo is being made. Bitcoin is not where Lambo is being made. It's an altcoins. Doge Daddy, stop indicator, Polygon, Luna for life, Shiba Inu. Wait for the end season. Bears getting a like, yeah, we are just not gonna play Doge Daddy, because as long as I don't play Doge Daddy, this is gonna keep on you know, going upwards. Extreme Glade plus New Moon plus Doge Daddy equals Bears Paradise. Yeah, so here is the thing, guys. Here's the thing. How many moons do we have left? Let's see up here. No, not that one. This one. Here are all the moons, guys. Here are all the moons. You can see these rings up here. So right now we are waiting for this new moon. Then we got the full moon, one more full moon. So we go up here, right? We got next is new moon, and then it's gonna pump us up to the sorry. Then it's full moon. Then it's gonna pump us up, right? Some kind of 60 levels. Then it's gonna go a little bit sideways, maybe it's just gonna, you know, just gonna continue something like this up here, and then once this moon kicks in, this is the super moon, guys. This is the super moon. This is the apogee moon. This is the full moon, the apogee super moon. Once this kicks in, guys, it's gonna go parabolic until the new moon, maybe go a little bit sideways, and then continue, maybe go a little bit sideways up here, and then continue, you know, kicking it all the way up here, you know, 460,000 until this new moon, and then gonna crash down. So maybe something like, okay, so first we go that little bit down, then it pushes up, then we're a little down, and then push us up hard. Then we're a little down, and then push us up very hard, right? All the way until this, you know, this new moon, and then it, you know, starts crumbling. Let's just hope, you know, that it's not this moon, because this is only like 130k. This new, because one of these new moons is gonna be the top, right? So, you know, we wanna, you know, we wanna do this right up here, 200k. That's nice. That's nice. So that's the plan, that's the game plan, right? So these are the new moons, these are the full moons, these are apogee perigis, and these three, these green lines, these bottom, these are called the super moons, because they are in line with the apogees. And this is also called a micro moon. This is in line with perigee. So this is a very important event that's going to happen between the 20th of November and 20th of December. And this line up here, that means that this moon is going to be eclipse moon. And this happens really, really rarely. So 4th of December, something big is going to happen, guys. Something very big is going to happen on 4th of December. Let's find one Twitter chart up here, not plan B. Let's go to my channel up here, and on here we have the exact date when we are going to hit the next bull run top. Exact date. See here, right over here on the 4th of December. That's gonna beat, guys. That's gonna beat, guys. By the way, also another important date to know. 22nd November 2022. It's when Venus, Mercury, Earth, and Mars are in line. So, you know, something big is gonna happen on that date as well, you know. I don't know if, you know, the Earth is gonna go under or something like that, you know, but, you know, important dates in the astrology. So keep that in mind, guys, keep it out. Maybe you need to find a remix of Fly Me to the Moon instead. Maybe. Basically, this guy is mad. It's okay, man. You know, the mad guys are, you know, who makes the world go round, man. You know, we are the creative force of nature, you know, we figure out stuff, you know, and we believe it. We believe it so hard that everybody, you know, start copying us, you know, and that's that, man. That's that. But right now, you can see that right now, I started stream at exactly the right moment where the big resistance is getting hit. Let's see this 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Is 5 minutes breaking it yet? It's 5 minutes, no, this is 2 minutes. Let's see 5 minute chart. Oh, 5 minutes wanna go. 5 minutes wanna go. 5 minutes wanna actually push it again. 5 minutes gonna go try to break it. But it went kind of fast towards the upside, man. It went kind of fast towards the upside. I mean, if you break it tonight, guys, I don't know. Tila, you must bring the balance to the force by playing Dodge Daddy. There will be no balance until we hit like 500,000, man. There will be no balance. What is Dodge Daddy? You don't know what's that? I'll show you what. Nah, I won't show you. Okay, yeah, I won't play it, but you know, you guys can play it. On Twitter, down here, there is a song called. There you go. Retweet and pump your bags. Dodge Daddy. Okay, so this is the song. This is the song. This is the pump song, or right now it's actually dump song, you know, because I played so many times, and every time lately when I've been playing it, we dumped, so it's a dump song. But you know, Fasten your seatbelt, boys and girls, here we go. Is the pattern getting an altcoin channel again, or still basic TA course? It is probably getting altcoin altcoin channel. You know, if the bull run continues, you know, definitely gonna talk a lot about altcoins. Definitely gonna talk about don't play it. See how fearful people are. People don't want me to play Dodge Daddy because, you know, lately when I've been playing Dodge Daddy, you know, it hasn't worked out. It hasn't worked out, unfortunately. And not only that, you know, I play it when everybody's super bullish, and then we dump down. Unfortunately, we dump down, guys. What's happening with the index, guys? The index Doji up, Dow Jones is up 1% without any significant event. It went up to the moving averages. Nothing happened. This looks like it's gonna drop down as soon as these moving averages start pushing us down, guys. Dow Jones looks like it's gonna continue the dumpage, so we're gonna see that. You know, one way or another, it has to, you know, get up here. You know, this might be some kind of a double bottom or something like that. But if, you know, if it breaks, it breaks. So this doesn't look good. You can see on the weekly time frame up here that this was actually bad. You know, fell through the 20 moving average, could not get back above it, then fell more down, then tried to climb back above it, held it, but, you know, opened below the 20 moving average, dumped below the support down here. And, you know, this week is expected to close in red. Unfortunately, I think it's red, and I expect at least to go go something like 33, maybe even lower down to 33.3 or 32.8 or something like that. Maybe this 50 moving average down here. So this week it should actually close in red. So I'm thinking, you know, Dow Jones is actually going down. Going down. So when is that gonna happen, you know? Good evening. Did you make the TA for Wink and BTT? No, I did not. CK said sideways. Warn us first. I didn't even press the like button. So stupid. Guys, don't be stupid like the Buren. Press the like button. Bro, can I make 100k please? Yeah, sure, why not? No problem. Next full moon, October 20th. Isn't October 20th the same day as, you know, the debt ceiling is gonna be, you know... Huh. Yeah, October 20. October 18. Why October 19? There is no October 20. I don't know. The guy said October 20. Tila, did you hear about Facebook FUD? What's the Facebook FUD? I know Facebook is down and stuff like that, but you know, what's the FUD about Facebook? See, lol. Moon and October 20 debt ceiling. But I don't see anything about October 20. You gotta find me. You know, you gotta find me. It's October 18. They will run debt limit is raised. Maybe something here. Washington Post. I cannot read Washington Post, unfortunately. Debt ceiling, post majors. This is still Washington Post. Washington Post. Wall Street Journal. Is there something that's not, you know, Facebook service go offline? Here are the majors. Yeah, you find me where you read about 20 October, you know, and it's on CBNC. Kaspar Sveika, welcome to TF Fans Club, man. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis. Thanks for joining up. And now, since you are the new TF Fans Club member, you get to pick the coin, and I will look at the coin, man. I will look at the coin. Thanks for joining. Thanks for supporting the channel, man. October 8th, Perigee. Yeah, it's not you know, it's not super moon or micro moon. It's just normal moon. But Perigee is happening October 8th. I haven't seen any kind of correlation with just Perigees, you know. But Perigee with the moon is correlated with Bitcoin. So moons itself, they have some correlation with Bitcoin. The moons and the Perigee have a big correlation with Bitcoin, and just the Perigee not that much. Not that much. Sveiki from Latvia. How you doing, man? Fed about Zuck messing with Teenage Minds on his platform, and a whisper stock has cancelled Facebook. It's just politics, man. It's just politics. I don't know. Something's happening. They want to do something with Facebook, so you know they're trying to push him. They're trying to push him. It's close to the new. Yeah, it's close. It's close, but not all the way. What's your opinion on NFT? Yeah, you know. What's my opinion on NFT? No, this is not invisible. Really invisible Ether rock. Here you go. Here's NFTs, man. Invisible rocks. Really, first there was invisible Ether rock, and now somebody made really invisible Ether rock. I think this one up here. I don't know which one is it. 0.3, 0.4. Yeah. I don't know. I like you know, 95 is nice, 55. I don't know, 55, 59. Which is nicer? Which looks nicer? I don't know. You know, this 59 has this, you know, some modern edge to it, but you know, number 55, it's like, I don't know, got some kind of nostalgia going for it. You know, this is NFTs, guys. These are NFTs, so you go and buy NFTs. That's what I think about it. Good luck, I must. Thanks, man. Thanks, Bear. Kaspar, what kind of coin do you want me to look at, man? This is your chance to look at any kind of coin. Any coin you want me to look at, I'll look at, you know. All new TM Fans Club members get to pick the coin. Get to pick the coin. It's like welcome to the club, man. Please make it go brr. 55 is more abstract. Yeah. 55 is more abstract. Yeah, definitely. Maybe I should go for 55. The madness, guys. The madness. I thought actually that was it. You know, when I saw Invisible eat the rocks, I was like, man, that's done. That's done. We definitely in bear market now. Oh man, you know, because that must be like peak euphoria, peak madness. When you get to peak madness in something, you know, you gotta short it. You gotta short. Who wants to go half on a Bored Ape mirror? Gas fees is so low, only 6 for it. I have no clue what to say. Huh. Give it small time. I will check out. Okay, give small time. Okay, I'll give you a little while. You don't have a lot while because I have to go to sleep soon. You know, I have to wake up early. So you know, you figure out the coin. I'll look at the coin, man. I'll look at apparently the criminal money. I was investing in a new one, but no point. Check that. Then so new in NFTs. Apparently the criminal money in NFTs. There's criminal money everywhere, man. Please look into 1inch or Sushi Swap. I'm old subscriber and watching all your videos. A lot of people are old subscribers, but you know, Sushi Swap, 1inch got this very nice line. I'm gonna show you the line. Two lines. This is the first line up here. This is the first line up here. Okay, it goes, you know, these bottoms down here and these tops up here. So this is gonna be resistance when it started going up here, and it got this trend line down here. So once it breaks the trend line, and this is gonna go all the way up here. Okay. It's gonna from here to here, okay? It's gonna go from 3 to something like 4. You know, after that, if it breaks this as well, it's gonna be bullish, okay? So that's all you have to know on a 1inch. Great content. I don't get NFTs as well. I meant I was investing in Ulti Arena, but they knew. But I will drop one in a few minutes. Okay, do that, man. Do that. Any coin, any coin. So, what's other, you know, by the way, Shiba is actually, you know, pumping like madness. Is Shiba done, guys? Is Shiba done? There's a big divergence, guys. Big divergence here on the 4 hour. Let's see the daily. Daily, there's nothing. But daily is sitting at 88, weekly 70. So you know, on the weekly it can go up, but you know, daily is kinda high here, very overextended. So you know, I think this is risky as you know what. This is risky as you know what. Check MetaHero today. Haven't checked MetaHero. It is interesting coin. So you know, we are following MetaHero. What's doing MetaHero? Did MetaHero break out? Yeah, MetaHero did break out. This is 10-minute chart, so you know, maybe it didn't break out. Let's see up here. It did break out, but it did continue to downside, so that makes me believe that this line is not a right line. When you have a line and it kind of breaks out of the line and then it doesn't break out of the line, it kind of, you can kind of start thinking that's not the right one. That's not. It did break up here, so it did make new trend up here. So I'm gonna call this under this up here a new trend. Maybe it did create some kind of you know, diamond pattern up here. Maybe it did create some kind of diamond pattern. You see it, guys? The diamond pattern. Maybe it's diamond pattern, you know. Maybe it should just be drawn. Maybe some kind of diamond pattern. I mean, I don't know how you're gonna draw this, but you know, whatever. Down here, maybe some kind of diamond pattern going on here. Maybe some kind of diamond, because this trend line got broken and then nothing happened. You see, broken to the upside. I thought it was going, and then straight back down. And right now, you know, it's not doing anything. So maybe the trend line is not legit. Maybe the trend line is not legit. Let's use the, not this one. Let's use the extend line for this up here. Maybe it's this one though. Maybe it's this one. Maybe this is a better one, because all these, you know, it breaks the upside, you know, and stuff like that. And this is the second part of the move. So maybe it's this down here. I don't know. This. The resistance is most important because it looks like he wants to break the resistance. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. The first line did not work out. The first line did not work out. This line down here did not work out. It went out and it was looking kind of bad. But you know, this second part after this big dump up here, it created this second part up here right now. And I think this line up here is legit right now. Still above the moving average. Looking at this is 200 moving average coming in up here. This is on the daily. I hope this is daily. No, this is 4 hourly. Let's see the daily, how daily is looking. Daily we don't have the 50 is all the way down here, so it might go sideways for a more because of this 50 moving average, you know. Maybe it's, let's try to draw it on the daily. This is engulfing. It cannot be this one. It cannot be this one. It should be doesn't matter. We like the line. Down here is definitely a line. You can see it here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Give or take. Let's see on the 4 hourly how this looks. 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame. Yeah, 4 hourly is better. 4 hourly is better. Down here. But it's too steep. I think it's a little bit too steep. Maybe soon. I don't know. It's really hard. How are you gonna draw this? So you get hit everything, man? And these upper ones are not playing the ball. Soon. Maybe soon. Eh? You can check C98, but it's new as well. Binance, they are as well. But you can check Ulti Arena, but don't think you see something as moments because vesting time now for pre-sale and dump be till December. But hey, be 7 October in London. Duke, our CEO, will be speaker at Token 2049 representing Ulti Arena along with House of Vlad and Radu. I don't know what Ulti Arena is, we're gonna check out, but let's start with C98. C98 broke the trend on the downside, guys, to the upside. Nah, this looks like it broke the trend, but up here it didn't. Soon, I think soon is gonna break the trend. I think this is it because right now it doesn't look like. Let's see up here. Yeah. Let's see weekly. Maybe it's already above the trend. You can see here, but you know this week must be taken into account then. One, two, three. It looks like the trend is being broken. So it looks nice. But let's give him, you know, let's make him work for the money. So it might be like it's very close because if it had broken the trend, this would have gone higher towards the upside. But right now maybe it's waiting for this 10 and 20 moving average to actually bounce and get above. So this trend line is very important right now, and there is another line that's very important to get above. What am I gonna say? This one. Also, it's down here, this one here. So you have a lot of resistance right up there to break. So if it can manage to break this trend line up here, the trend line, and then the resistance up here, that might be good. So the last resistance up here, the way I see it, is at 4.1. But right now these moving averages, 10 and 20 moving averages, is really important once they start coming up, because we're gonna, you know, get some kind of support here and bounce off of that. Let's see 4 hourly. Yeah, 4 hourly it is a little bit down. Maybe it's waiting for this 50 moving average to bounce towards the upside. Let's see if you can find some kind of triangle here or something. What's good? What's happening? What's pumping? This is nice cup and handle, guys. This is a nice cup and handle. Look at this. This is a legit cup and handle. This up here, that's legit cup and handle. And right now we're having this bleed towards downside, so we're gonna see right now we have, you know, bled enough right now sitting at the resistance up here. Once we break 4.1 it can actually go, but will it go right now? It's hard to say. It's hard to say. Let's see here. No, it's not that legit. Maybe it's already, right now it looks like it's a little weak. Right now it's looking like a little weak, and it let's see the volume up here on this one. Yeah, the volume is going down, but it's good that it's going down with the price as well. This was going up a little bit here. Let's look at the weekly volume. Yeah, it's actually good. So you can see here that when the price was going up, the volume was going up. When the price is going down, the volume is going down. That's actually a very good thing. So this is actually a very nice pump up here, pumped up on the 10 moving average. Let's go to the daily up here. So what I'm reckoning is maybe we're gonna get some kind of pullback up here. If it doesn't hold the 50 moving average, maybe the pullback, and then, you know, these 10 and 20 moving average might pick it up, and then it gets up again. It gets up. But once it start breaking this trend line and start breaking this resistance up here, you know, it might just fly. It might just fly. The other one, Ulti Arena. Ulti. There's no such thing, man. Sorry about the other one, but you know, C98 is there. Still there. Look at the move. Look at the volume here. Look how nice this is, guys. Look how nice this is. Look at the volume. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. You understand that, guys? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The volume is following the pump. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. We like to see that the volume and the pump is, you know, working together. There is interest in the pump. I think it's time for another pizza I make. It's time I watch your live stream. I want pizza. Pizza is fine, man. Pizza is fine. Dent, please, currently pumping any target. Dent is been at 10% all day. How much is it right now? 16%. Oh, look at Dent also getting to the resistance. When it's gonna break the resistance, I don't know. Maybe it's breaking the resistance. Let's try to, you know, these trend lines are right now so close, guys, so close. Yeah, maybe it's already breaking the trend. Maybe it's already breaking the trend. Yeah, it looks like it's breaking the trend. What's the target for this? Well, this is, you know, cup and handle. I don't know, man. I don't know. What's the target? Well, you got the resistance on the upside. So let's, you know, I can give you the resistances. You know, I can give you the, you know, targets. 0.12. 74. You know, these are important resistance on the upside. Let's just clear up everything. You got also these two up here, you know, down here. And in the middle one, you got one here. Let's see how this looks on the monthly. Monthly is a little bit in the middle there. So there are few resistance upside, you know, but depends on how bullish this is and how far up it's gonna go. Right now the target, you know, there are no specific targets, but you know, you want to get above 79 as a resistance. I think this one up here at 12 is more important than well, this 4 than up here. Yeah, 0.12, but I don't know, this is monthly. I don't know which one, but you know, definitely 17, definitely 17. Yeah. But the target, the moon, the target is the moon, right? This is the target. My friend was invested in Shiba, small amount, I think 5k when launched. They crashed first big pump over 2 million USD. Nice. They cashed first big pump over 2 million USD. That's a good buy, man. That's a good buy. Yeah, Dent also was previously there's some small pumps. Yeah, Dent did fine. Dent did fine. You know, our biggest donator on the channel, you know, the whale, you know, he likes Dent right now. How he knows about Dent, I don't know, but you know, even the volume up here is actually legit, guys. Even the volume up here is like actually very legit, so it does look good. My friend watched their profit go to 1.5 million, didn't take profit, now they only have 300k. That's the problem, you know, a lot of people buy, you know, they FOMO in, or they hear about something from somebody, they buy bottoms, and it goes really high up, you know, but since they don't know any tech analysis, they're not investors, they don't know when the profit is, they don't know what the targets are. They just hodl, you know, just hodl. That might be a good thing, you know, in the long run, if you're hodling for a long time and eventually just take out, you know, but you know, knowing when to, you know, take profits, you know, it could be good. It could be good. You know, profit taking should be, you know, a subject in itself. You will be a good teacher. You are clear and explain patiently. Thanks, man. I hope I don't have to be teacher, because you know my patience only lasts for so long, and then it's like tough way. My friend left his girlfriend, moved to Miami from Alberta, Canada. He bought Theta in the pennies, lucky. Theta actually blasted so much, man, so much. Theta blasted so much. I think Theta was one of these coins that actually, you know, exploded to the moon. You know, yeah, I mean, crypto makes a lot of millionaires. Crypto definitely makes a lot, like, but you know, these are the stories that make people come in, you know. Most people have really hard time figuring out where to buy, you know, some kind of bottom, and when they invest, you know, since they are not that good at, you know, investing and stuff like that, and they are a little bit scared of crypto, then they don't invest that much, and then, you know, stuff like that, right? But you know, he was smart, not lucky. Maybe smart as well. Anyways, guys, let's end it here for today. It does look good. I'm not gonna bust your party today. 5% up, breaking the resistance. Are we breaking the resistance? Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? Let's see here, 5-minute chart. It's gonna go try for the test, guys. It's gonna go try for the test. Maybe we should look at some other chart. This is binary chart. Let's look at the binary chart. So this falling wedge did play out. Okay, let's move. Let's try it on another chart. Let's see weekly up here. On the dollar. Interesting. Not quite sure if it can break it right now. You know, this is the first try. This is second try. So you know, it has a little bit time. You know, hard time to break it right now. The resistance. I mean, if it breaks that 5% up for the day, it's gonna be very bullish, guys. It's gonna be very bullish. Moon party. What's happening? Bitcoin trying to break the resistance. Bitcoin trying to break the resistance. So right now, you know, hit once, hit twice. You know, the bulls are trying to break. I don't know how much they can keep this going on, because it went kind of hard to the top. It kind of hard to the top. You can see here, even the 1 hourly are not actually, you know, playing ball. So I don't know. Maybe it's gonna wait for the daily close. That's in 2.5 hours. 4 hourly also a little bit extended on upside. Not that much actually. You can just continue pumping like this. This doesn't have to stop. It can continue definitely pumping. Like if we close somewhere up here tomorrow, like It can be big time. It can be big time. Just remember, guys, big money, you know, wife-changing money is happening in altcoins, not Bitcoin. Not about to break out. Maybe, man. Everything is about to break out. Everything is about to break out. Everything is getting so close, getting ready. So, you know. She's still popping, eh? Soon maybe you'll review my token when they take a longer time and list many exchanges. Hard job still must be done. Open need company. Need open company. Need to get listed top 10 exchanges. A lot money need. It's a work in progress, man. Good luck with that, man. Sold my BTC on that little fair. I mean, it is hitting the resistance, but it can break the like 5-minute chart can, like, but 1 hourly kind of extend, but you know, you never know. You never know if it's gonna break the resistance right now. It's never know it's gonna break the resistance. It's tapping its head on so maybe it wants. It didn't just go and just like get a big wick and you know, yeah, it didn't have it went up there and like just sitting up there, you know. It looks like it wants to break it. Where is our resistance? Can you zoom out a bit? Weekly up here. That's the resistance. I short BTC last night. Yeah, our condolences, man. But last night, so you know, it was looking good, guys. It was looking good. So I don't know why what you shorted, by the way. Last night was looking good. Even today on Bitcoin Daily, we said I was thinking it might have a pullback, but you know, everything looks fine. Everything looks fine. I was thinking, you know, Bitcoin might have a pullback right over here. We did the live at 10 AM right up here, so I was thinking it might have a pullback. The pullback never came, but it went kind of sideways and kind of hit the 10 moving average and then blast off. But beside that, I couldn't see anything wrong with Bitcoin right now, and I still cannot see anything wrong with Bitcoin. It is a lot bullish. It is bullish. It might break even this event. I don't know if it can break tonight. That's the thing. I don't know if it can break tonight. But if it does break tonight, you know, tomorrow is gonna be bullish day. Tomorrow is gonna be bullish day. RSI is very high, but I guess everyone FOMO is so hard. Like, people usually FOMO right up below the resistance. What's the difference between Heikin-Ashi and normal candles? Well, normal candles are like these candles, and then you got Heikin-Ashi candles. I think these are here. You know, some people think that this is, you know, the alpha and omega of tech analysis is gonna show you the trends better than, you know, the other candles. And I don't think that, so, you know, you'll see very rarely people using this, maybe some special occasions, special cases, you know, but this is basically for people who don't understand tech analysis, you know, to look at something and feel like they know something. Oh, it's going up, you know, you just long it until it starts, you know, getting these wicks on the downside, you know. I don't like it. I don't like Heikin-Ashi candles. I don't like Heikin-Ashi. Normal candles are fine, you can see everything. Jebot stari što ima, nema ništa, sad ću biti. Always use Heikin-Ashi. Nasa. Savvy got wrecked so bad you to mute him last night, lol. No way, man, no way, no way. Cry Savvy. Crypto Savvy. There, Crypto Savvy. What you mean? What is the... has anything changed? Has anything changed? How did he get muted? What do you mean? Odmah sam čuo da razumiješ, znaš. Yeah. But we'll keep it in English, okay? Good for scalping long time frames. Plan B says 63 for this month, and I believe it. Like, everybody believes Plan B, man. Plan B is right now the big shot, 63k incoming, man. I don't know how he knows, but you know, if he figures out, if he has the, you know, cheat sheet, you know, he has better cheat sheet than the moons, you know, that might be it, you know. We only have the moons, we only know the direction, he knows the targets, you know. We know the direction, he knows the targets. Hopefully they're sleeping giants. Okay, no problem. We can speak English. Yeah, why not? So everybody gets it. So everybody gets it. So I don't know. Plan B does know, you know stuff. But what did Crypto Savvy say, man? What Crypto Savvy say? I'm interested. What the F is Bitcoin doing?
What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. I hope you can hear me now. What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. I hope you can hear me now. Sorry about that. My Streamlabs updated and it screwed up my volume. So
okay, so his Streamlabs updated. Okay, he didn't get muted. We have you and the moons. Yeah, dodge there. Let's play TLA. No. I'm not ruining the party. I'm not getting the blame for this, man. TLA, why SafeMoon is up? What do you mean it's up? This one. What do I click here? We'll see what happens soon with new Beta Finance token pre-sale and Launchpad in Binance. Hope they go up. Looks legit. I don't know, SafeMoon looks like it's still, you know, bleeding. I don't know if you could say it's up. Maybe there is some kind of bottom up here, you know, SafeMoon might, you know, eventually, you know, have another pump. But, you know, Ponzi coins usually do this, you know. Yo, what's happening, Biki? Not much. Look in this Ulti Arena, what you up now? Okay, let's check that. Ulti minus 3.35%. It's kind of look like it's going down, man. There we go, there we go. We got a chart, man, we got a chart. This is daily, but it's not that long. Just be, there is no data, there's not enough data. It's too early, it's too early. Just look for bottom. Could you look at one? Yes, man, I can. Thanks for bucks, I appreciate money. One is actually quite good. One is very nice. I like one, and I'm waiting actually for it to go up. Let's see here. Where is one? I don't know. It looked nice. It looked nice. And this trend is actually broken. So you see this trend line up here. That got broken. We got, you know, we went create. You know, this was high. This is higher high. This is low. This is higher low. So it does look nice. It does look nice. It's above this trend line up here. I'm not quite sure how legit is the trend line, but you know, it is nice trend line right now. So maybe it's getting some kind of support down here, but it kind of went below 10 and 20 moving average down here for a second. See here, and I don't like that it just slowly bounces off of the trend line. So maybe the trend line is not that legit. Maybe the trend line is not legit. So let's try to redraw the trend line up here. Maybe it's all the way down there. Maybe that's why, you know, should not be down there. It should be something like this up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I was looking because you know, when you here's the thing, when you have a trend line and you like the trend line, you know, when you like the trend line, and then you know it breaks it but kind of, you know, swings around it, you know, that's kind of messed up, you know. It usually implies that the trend line is not correct. Usually implies the trend line is not correct, but this looks more legit, guys. This looks more legit up here. Bottom stops right now, so we're gonna see if it can actually break this line up here. So right now I totally changed my outlook on Harmon 1, and I was wondering why it's not pumping when it was breaking the line, but you know, now I know. Let's see if you can see this better on the daily. Yeah, give or take, it is this line. Yeah. Some kind of line. Then I got to this bottom triangle. So it looks like a rising wedge of some sort. But if it breaks the upside, it's gonna be nice. Rodium, 20 bucks, man. Thanks, appreciate the money, man. Can you do XRP? Of course I can do. For 20 bucks, I'll do XRP 2 times. You know, for 20 bucks. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Love the money. Cannot say I do not love the money. I love the money. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Okay, let's check it out. But here. Give or take, give or take. I think this is a very important triangle up here. This usually thing, you know, maybe it's gonna go up here, break on the outside, and then, you know, continue towards the upside. That might be it. Caspers, 20 bucks, euros. You're amazing. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate the money. How can you not love the money? I love the money, man. I love the money. Thanks. You're amazing. And you know, I like you even more because you did not request anything. You did not request anything. It's 20 bucks. Thanks, man. So this triangle does look legit, guys. This triangle does look legit. But there should be a trend line down here. Let's scroll up and try to find the trend line first. Maybe something like this. So there is a trend line down here, definitely going on, something like this. Maybe some kind of it looks like a channel. It looks like a channel to me. So let's use the channel meme. I'm using way too much time on this right now. I'm using way too much time on this, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, I think it's a channel. I think it's a channel. So I think this is a channel. So let's do the channel fibs. Fib channel. Yeah, it does look like a channel. So maybe that's that. Maybe, you know, maybe it's waiting, and then you add the moving averages up here. Nah, I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Because if you look at it like this up here, it looks like, you know, it broke the trend up here, having some kind of retest. That's what I was thinking, but only 2 touches, and then, you know, this breakout is kind of, you know, sluggish, and then I was thinking it was something like this, but, you know, the breakout's kind of sluggish, so it's definitely not that. It does look good though. We've been saying that this looks good because it's not correlated with Bitcoin. It is above all the moving averages. Right now going a little bit down, and what I think right now is because just by looking at moving averages, that this might actually go, you know, hit 50 moving average down here if it cannot get right back up again. Let's see on the daily time frame. Yeah, that will also correspond down here at 10 or 20 moving average. 10, 20 moving average down here. 4 hourly. Yeah, that's around either 5 or 20 moving average down here, the 15 or 16, so the pullback might actually go all the way down there. It looks like the pullback is gonna go there, and after that, of course, were important lines of resistance, because it is breaking out everything. Like, you got nothing until, you know, at the tops, man. You got nothing. This is thing on the weekly time frame, because right now on the weekly time frame you got only these 2 resistances up here. You got nothing else. You got nothing else right now. You have a small pullback, and then up to resistance to 0.2, 0.21. Like that's that. Look at that. So yeah, but how this actually will play out, I think pullback might come. Pullback might come before we actually continue towards the upside. We'll see how this actually plays. If he manages to bounce on the moving averages, it just might go to 0.2, 0.21. Beaky, $5. Now the donations are coming in, man. Will you consider your video BG to some currency setup like studio? Will you consider your video BG to some currency setup like studio? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that, Beaky. So just write in the chat that if channel use Pitchfork. Nah, we don't need Pitchfork. Capman is in the chat. Now the Capman is back. I know that we are bullish because Capman only comes when we are bullish. Capman is always away, you know, nothing happens, and then Capman comes, you know, because, you know, you max euphoria. Casper, $15, no problem. I will send message other day. Maybe we deal some sponsorship. Understand? Text you Twitter message, correct? For any business person. Yeah, send Twitter. So we'll see what we do from there. We'll see what we do from there. Thanks for the bucks. I appreciate the money. I'm getting ready to buy soon. I thought you bought. I thought you bought, man. You said you bought. You said you bought. You said you bought buy here. Where did you buy? Where did you buy? You bought buy here, man. You buy here. You buy here. Are you gonna buy the top again? Are you gonna buy top 2 times? You're gonna buy the top 2 times. Waiting for all-time high. Yeah, of course. Background of your video. Will you consider your video background to some currency setup like studio? What do you mean by currency setup like studio? Think it's time to upgrade your background studio help. What is background studio help? I don't get it. Like, my background is nice. Background studio. Oh, you mean the background? This background. Do you see your video background to some currency setup like studio? This background. Ah, okay, this background. No, this is nice. Like Bitcoin. No, I don't. If I ever go 1 million, you know, I might consider it, but this is fine, man. This is fine. We don't want to complicate too much stuff. This is fine. We like the you know, the background with the 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 subscribers, right? We like that. You know, that's enough. That's enough. There will be no coins in the background, shilling coins in the background. Tia has his trophies back there. I had some charts, but I took them down yesterday or a couple of days ago. I had some charts on the walls. Maybe I should post the charts on the wall. Hey guys, don't look at my ass, okay? And girls, I know there are some girls here, you know, so. Just a joke, just a joke. Right? There we go, upgraded my background. Unless you prefer drift throws. So that's good. I don't know if you can see the charts, but there are charts on this up there now. That's done. That's done. Now we updated our background. Now we can go and do the stuff. Roddy M wanted to see XRP, so let's go back to the XRP and see what XRP is doing. By the way, XRP guy donated like $20 for XRP. Why should I do XRP? So this is XRP. This is some kind of big line. I don't. Yeah, this is the big line. The big line on XRP. So soon, very soon, just like Bitcoin, everything has this line. Everything is the line. You know, maybe there is a, you know, triangle up here going on. So there is big triangle going on, and right now we are up here and getting to breakout. And I'm telling you guys, this is not just XRP or Cardano or everything. Everything is gonna blast to the moon once we start breaking this stuff. Once we start breaking these stuffs, everything is gonna blast to the moon. I don't know where it should be down here. It looks a little bit. Let's see weekly. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. Really doesn't matter. The bottom line doesn't matter. It's a support line. You know, we care about, you know, resistance line up top, and the resistance line. I think it's. You know, I think it's this one up here, maybe, give or take. It's in the ballpark area. It's very nice. So we are getting there very soon. We got this 50 moving average on XRP that we have to break to the upside. So I think as soon as XRP breaks this on the upside, I think it's gonna be. You can see here it started going straight down. This is, you know, try to break. You know, it already started going straight up. You know, but then right back down again. Not yet, and then right now it's gonna go for the second try up here. Well, it's not second try, it's like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh time it's gonna try to break. It's 7 times gonna try to break line. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we're gonna go do the laundry. Bye guys, thanks again for everything. Thanks for stopping by, Captain. I do appreciate it. And it's important to have a nice clean clothes. So it's okay. See you around. Have you done LTC? We don't do LTC. We never do LTC. It's an old coin. It's a Ponzi. Do you accepting donations in BNB? No, I only accept super chats. It just gets too you know, complicated, you know, getting the donations and, you know, doing stuff with them, and then, you know, the tax money when I know, hey, where are you getting money from? Are you you know, laundering the money? And then I'm gonna go to my chat and see that, you know, Captain is talking about laundry, and then I'm gonna be like, what are you laundering, man? What are you laundering? Are you laundering the BNB? You see here, who is this Captain BT, and who is this Kaspar that wants, you know, give you some money? Where is the money going? You know, I can't handle all the questions, you know, so I'm just giving up. XRP, don't hate it, don't date it, still trade it. See there, Kebman guys knows, guys. Once waiting for all-time high tie. Once Kebman comes, every time Kebman comes, we are bullish. Every time Kebman comes, this guy in chat, Kebman, why every time he comes on the stream, literally every time he comes at the all-time high, you know. So we know the euphoria is starting kicking, but maybe this time he's a little bit early. So let's hope we are a little bit early. Maybe he's a little bit early this time. Not at the very top, you know, because last time he was the very top, and then the time before that he was the very top. So maybe now he's a little bit early, you know. Maybe this time he's not, you know, ruining the party for everyone with euphoria. Can we request hairstyles? Yeah, sure, why not? But hairstyles are only requested through super chat, you know. I'd like the man bun during live tier. Could you please take a quick look at a V-chain? Yeah, sure, why not? But only because I want to, you know. Only because I want to. V-chain 394. So just like everything else, guys, just like everything else, because every single coin in this godforsaken world is right now having the same thing. This should not be it. It should be down here. Maybe it's already breaking it. Maybe it's, is it breaking already? Let's see on the daily. It is soon. And I think this was a fake out, because if you look at a weekly time, this is a engulfing candle. So we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna say it is soon, guys. It is very soon. And you can see here it is already trying to break it, and that's 50 and 200 moving average. You know, if he can go up here, like but the thing is, I don't know if you're gonna break it or not. I don't know if you're gonna you know, go to the moon or not. You know, it's really hard, you know, thing to figure out whether something is gonna break it or not. And that's, you know, that's why we are looking for breaks. We are looking, are you breaking the resistance, or I get rejected, and then we are seeing if that's bullish or bearish. But you know, we had some kind of, you know, double bottom down here. We jumped above the moving averages. We got some kind of support. We are climbing higher. You know, there is no need to be bearish right now. There is only bullishness towards the upside. Right now on the weekly time frame. Let's see the weekly time frame how it looks. On the weekly time, we managed to get back above the 20 moving average. We got an engulfing bullish candle. We got a support on the 50 moving average. So everything looks nice. Everything looks good. But you know, the bullishness will keep kicking above 0.139. This is engulfing candle, so we are removing that. Right up here. I think if you get a, you know, high up here, I think that's gonna be super nice. That's gonna be super nice. But it does look good. It does look good. VeChain definitely looks very nice, and just might actually pump. But XRP, man, XRP as well. XRP also very nice. Looks very nice. You see here bullish engulfing candle and XRP here as well on the weekly time frame. Held the 20 moving average. It is bullish. It got this 10 moving average above us, but you know, if we go higher up, you know, you're gonna break that. But right now the bullishness is there. The bullishness is there, getting, you know, jumped above this 10-20 move, 10-20 200 moving average, getting support. But once it breaks the 50, it's gonna also break the trend line. It's gonna also be super bullish, and I think it's gonna be happening. Be happening soon, guys. I think it's gonna be happening soon. I think we're gonna, you know, go to the moon soon. I think everybody's gonna be very happy. Everybody is gonna be buying Lambos. Everybody's gonna be buying wives. Everybody's gonna be buying, I don't know, you know, stuff. So everybody's gonna be buying iPhones. You know, it's looking good. Kevman is a good omen to play Dodge Daddy. Yeah. It's happening. Oh, what happened with LTC long time? Not here. What's happening with them? I don't know. Check out Helium, bro. We're looking at hot boy right now. No thanks. Yeah, Kevman is our it's a hustler. Kevman is our, you know, top indicator. Top indicator. But I think everything right now looks very nice, and it looks like it's gonna break out. So guys, prepare for moves. Prepare for moves. Right now it's still not alt season. I mean, there are some coins that are, you know, pre-pumping the alt season, but alt season, once these coins starts, you know, breaking up here, it's gonna be super nice. Because right now everybody sees these triangles, guys. Everybody sees these triangles. Remember that. Remember what I telling you guys. Everybody sees this triangle right now. Down here, when you're down here, you know, you could not, you know, figure out, you know, that we are gonna go here and, you know, create some kind of triangle. But right now everybody sees the triangles. Everybody sees the triangles. Doesn't matter what kind of triangle it is. Right now everybody sees the triangles. Okay, guys, everybody sees the triangle. It's very important to know that everybody right now sees the triangles. Everybody. If you don't see the triangle, right now you're seeing the triangle. And it's not just, you know, BNB and whatnot, you know. There is triangle on literally everything right now. And if we start breaking to the upside, guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you, if we start breaking to the upside, these triangles, everything gonna move, everything. That means that there is gonna be a new top. That means that plan B is gonna be correct. That means that CoinKid is correct. That means that Bitcoin is not correct, because he said, you know, top is gonna be around 16 October, give or take 2 weeks. That means that we are in for a big wild ride towards the upside up here. If we start breaking the trends, everything is in some kind of triangle, guys. Everything is some kind of triangle, and everything will start popping towards the upside. If we get rejected up here, we are looking again at support, right? But if we are looking against support, then, you know, probability is to the downside. I don't want to get back down here. I don't want to get down. But if we break it up, guys, we got the moon phase. We know the moons. We have everything. We are making money. If it breaks the upside, everybody's making money. It's gonna be really hard not to make money. Who's going to buy? Seems to me like the hype is already past, and most retail investors already got wrecked the last couple of months. Who's gonna buy? The same people that got wrecked will come back, because they are right now nowhere to be seen. They are nowhere to be seen, you know. During the dump, they got lost, and just like Kevman, you know, they disappeared. Down here, they totally got, you know, discouraged, you know. Everybody I know that bought Bitcoin, you know, my sister and my friends and stuff like that, they sold. They sold, and it's finished. They don't care about it anymore. So they don't know what's happening right now. They don't know what's happening right now. But once it starts breaking up here, they're gonna start talking about it. And then it's gonna go higher, and then they're gonna start FOMOing. This is euphoria, and once euphoria starts kicking in, then it go parabolic, and then at the top up here, we're gonna get some kind of blow off top, because it's gonna be so nice, and then we're gonna go down, right? Remember, if BTC breaks 450, 520, you owe me $50. Billy Bob, I won't remember that, but I'm pretty sure you will remember that, so, you know, remind me of that. Can you please check STPD USDT? STPT USDT. Ooh, Tether. Ooh, what the F, man, what the F. What's happening? What's happening here? What's happening? What's happening? 150%, 333%. I'm not touching this with a 10-foot pole, man. I won't get close to this. 100%, man. I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is, but I'm kind of scared, you know. I don't like when something pumps 150%, you know. It might pump another 150%. I don't know. But, you know, just like, word of advice, you know, from me to you, you know, from me to everybody watching, anything that pumps 100, you know, something percent, you know, it might be a little bit tricky. You know, I don't know what this is, but, you know, it is... I don't know, 333 looks like a pre-rug pull. Pre-rug pull, that's nice. Conservative estimate to Bitcoin to around 80k around February. My feelings after that, who knows? Yeah, didn't we just have the inverted head and shoulders up here, showing the 80k? So this inverted head and shoulder, right? This inverted head and shoulder, or something like this, right? This inverted head and shoulder. The target for the inverted head and shoulder is, you know, from the bottom to the top. If you pick it up here, let's say we break out here, it's 80k. You know, we are at 80k right up there. TEL looks primed for a breakout, in my opinion. What do you think, TLA? I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure, because everything right now is primed for a breakout. But, you know, that might be also it, you know. Kebman is here, you know, the new moon is hitting in, you know. We had some kind of resistance, so, you know, I'm not quite sure how to take that, man. A rug put would correspond with dump moon nicely, but that would be a good entry frenzy. Yeah. Do you like FIP time? No. Nice. Good night, TLA. I'm going to sleep. Thanks for stopping by, Bachelor Sensei. I'm going to sleep as well. It's 12 o'clock here. So I'm not quite sure whether we're gonna break today, whether we're gonna break tomorrow. But do stop tomorrow, 9 AM Central European time. Come back here at 9 AM Central European time. On the dollar, we do Bitcoin daily, and we're gonna see what's happening in Bitcoin. Are we super bullish or not? So tomorrow is gonna be a very, very important day. Very, very important day. And if I'm bullish, I'm gonna play Doge Daddy. I'm gonna play Doge Daddy, and I'm hoping. I don't know if I should play Doge because it's a new moon, but, you know, I'm feeling it like it's gonna be good time to play Doge Daddy tomorrow. Maybe like if we do this, maybe, you know, it's gonna be good time to play Doge Daddy. Maybe 9 AM sharp. Do subscribe to the channel. Do hit the like button on the way out. Do hit notifications, bell button, all of that stuff. You know, don't miss the stream tomorrow. And that's that, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for all the donations. I love the money. Got a lot of money today, you know. I don't know what I'm gonna buy next, you know, but donations are definitely going to something. And that's that. Did we do DOT today? No, we didn't do DOT today. Maybe tomorrow. How is DOT doing? DOT is doing nice. The triangle, man. The triangle. There you go. There's the triangle and DOT as well. Everything is in triangle, man. Everything is getting ready, man. Everything is getting ready. And I'm telling you guys, if this starts breaking to the upside, it's gonna be so amazing. So amazing. Vanessa Crypto, $5. Good night. Good night, man. Thanks for $5. See you around tomorrow, guys. See you around tomorrow. I'm not sure I'm gonna wake up to the